All right, guys, here I am. 2015 McLaren 650S Spider. I am doing the accumulators. And all the videos I found are for the 12C, and they don't even show the front accumulators. I'm going to tell you right now, from everything I've seen, they can be under pressure. The power steering fluid is super caustic, and you want to make sure that you catch any fluid you can catch that's going to drain out. So I have stuck a rag under there, and let's see if we can do this real quick. I have seen in other videos, I've seen them pop from pressure. So I'm trying to be, when I say pop, I mean like just push themselves up. I'm trying to be as cautious as possible. See what happens here. And there was no pop. There it is. There's one out. New one. And the new one, since there was no pop and there's actually no fluid leakage either, we have our new one. We can just, I hope I got, here's my little fluid leakage. And that's it. New one in, and we're done. Pretty quick, 4 minutes once you get the tire off, and you have your new accumulators. Till next time.